Hello, everyone. It's been a pleasure to be here and represent Zoomlion to share our latest work in the embodied intelligence. So first, let me briefly introduce our company. Founded in 1992, Zoomlion has been deeply engaged in equipment manufacturing industry for over 30 years. Today, we offer a comprehensive portfolio covering more than 700 products, and our products are imported to more than 180 countries. We are now among the leading companies in global equipment manufacturing. So we consistently adopt cutting-edge technology, and now to highlight what we have achieved, please take a brief video tour to one of our world-leading factories.
Smart factory is in Changsha, Hunan, a benchmark in Hunan's drive to build a national advanced manufacturing hub. The factory covers the full process: preparation, welding, machining, painting, assembly, and testing. The automatic bender grips, bends, and inspects parts. In sorting, parts are grouped onto pallets, then AGVs deliver them to welding stations. In welding, robots work together for precise, fast automatic assembly and welding of structural parts. Dual-wire, dual-gun welding robots greatly boost quality and efficiency. After welding, laser and phased array UT enable precise internal and external flaw detection. In painting, robots spray automatically, with over 90% paint utilization and zero VOC emissions. An overhead corridor conveys the undercarriage to the assembly line, protecting the painted surface. The two assembly lines produce one excavator every 6 minutes.
So at this point, you may be wondering why a leading equipment manufacturing company are investing in robotics. So first, the robots can take over labor-intensive jobs and improve both safety and efficiency. More importantly, developing robots let us to grasp and master the critical technologies such as physical AI and embodied AI. Then you're going to apply these capabilities to our construction, agriculture, and mining machinery. As mentioned earlier, you are keeping embracing advanced technologies, and the humanoid robots nowadays have no doubt be the frontier of the technology. So today, you are proud to announce G1, our humanoid robot. This now demonstrated on stage and the performance on our booth. It enables multimodal perceptions across application from industrial inspection, collaboration, to research and education. Let's take a look at a short video to get a close feelings for our robot's agility. Yeah, you can see this show on site in our booth. In addition to humanoid robots, you have developed 3 other models. They are now deploying our intelligent factory for real-world testing. So you have deployed the robot across the scenarios such as machining, logistics, material assembly, and factory inspection. In the following slides, I will be explain what RobotOps is and the rationale behind why we develop the robot operation system. So the RobotOps is invented to tackle 4 key challenges in the development of embodied AI. First is the complexity of technical stack. The second is the difference between the lab-based environment and the real-world conditions. The third is insufficient high-quality data. The fourth is absence of lifecycle management. The RobotOps integrate DevOps and DataOps along with the AgentOps. So it is an ultimate system that covers the whole life cycle from the data collection, the model training, to simulation and the real-world deployment. The RobotOps is built for the software 3.0. It's the ultimate solution for modern robotic development, where we shift from writing code to just define and evaluate the outcome. Let AI to drive the software and hardware self-evolution. Next, let's watch a short video showing an open cloud-driven robot built on our RobotOps in real factory.
Please conduct the full process inspection of the production workshop.
So as you see, the core of the RobotOps is the engineering of data, software, and agent. It's a unified Trinity approach. It consists of 4 core modules: the foundation platform, imitation learning platform, reinforcement learning-based platform, and task orchestration platform. The foundation platform forms the backbone of RobotOps. It provides end-to-end data collection, multi-hardware connection, and OTA updates. It has a rich set of APIs, which significantly reducing the tedious coding work and lowering the barriers for customer development. The imitation learning platform enables robots to learn and replicate actual operation. You can see from the right bottom of the slide for real operation in our platform. The reinforcement learning platform focuses on robot motion skill training. It enables robots to learn from complex behavior through the interaction with the environment. The task orchestration platform is the core engine for large-scale robot deployment. It enables zero-shot, zero-code, drag and drop orchestration of long-horizon tasks. Furthermore, to address the issue of insufficient high-quality data for robot training, we collaborate with the Linden robot to develop several robot-independent data collection equipment. Next, you demonstrate how RobotOps empowers multiple industrial with wide application. For humanoid robot, it provides robot with perception, motion, and autonomous operation capabilities. In industrial robots, it covers the whole pipeline from algorithm development to large-scale deployment. In the field of construction machinery, you transfer embodied intelligent technology to traditional equipment, such as excavator, the crane, enable the autonomous operating and precision control. In autonomous driving, it covers the full pipeline from load data collection to policy training and system iteration, which ensure more stable and safer performance across the diversity of the different environment. The RobotOps platform is powered by AWS Cloud, which provides a solid foundation for full-cycle development of our robots. Also, the RobotOps operation system have already integrated with existing enterprise industrial systems, such as SAP S4 and Siemens PLM. So this system can directly send a task to our platform, and RobotOps will then automatically decompose the task, match, and combine the relevant skill to drive robot to execute the operations. At the same time, our robot and RobotOps platform are now fully open for global partnership. You are warmly welcome all the interested parties to visit our pilot factory in China. In addition, we are offering a special trial of RobotOps system. You can register by scanning the QR code here for a 10-day free trial. And dear guests and friends, this concludes my presentation today. Thank you very much.